female lions because they don't have a mane like male lions.
Oh, wow.
I wonder what else we can learn about lions here.
Let's go
Let's
see. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so we know that big cats like lions are the most successful predators in the world.
And prides of lions, which is the big group they live in, are mainly made up of female lions, and they do most of the hunting.
Oh, wow. It even says here that male lions are famous for being lazy because they can sleep for up to 20 hours a day.
Wow, that's even more than you, Clara.
Lions are also carnivores because they only eat meat.
Wow. Let's go see what other animals we can find. Come on.